Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'll show you how to send voice messages on WhatsApp on the iPhone 16e. So the first thing you're going to do is just select a chat that you want to send a message to, and then we're going to just click on the microphone icon on the bottom right of the screen, and we just need to hold it to start sending a message. So right now I'm recording my voice, and you can slide up to keep it permanently recording without holding the phone. And what you can do is just, if you don't like the message, you can remove it, or you can pause the recording and just like wait a few seconds and continue it by pressing on the microphone again. And once you've done that, you can just click on the green arrow right here to send the message. So while you're holding, if you don't like the message that you're sending and you don't want to send it, what you can do is just slide to the left to cancel it, and now it won't be sent. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps, and make sure to like and subscribe.